For Allam Pachidi or ginger pickle, first I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of oil to the pan. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander, 1 tablespoon of urad dal, 1 tablespoon chana dal. Let this fry on a low flame. Once this is aromatic, add red chilies, add red dry chilies, and on a very low flame keep flipping. Add ginger 50 grams, fry this on a very low flame. Switch off the flame and let this cool. Add this chilies, add jaggery, add some garlic, add the tamarind pulp, smooth paste. I'm going to add little warm water. This is blended and now I will transfer this into a bowl. So here the ginger pickle is ready, and on top of it I'm going to pour some warm oil. Here the Allam Pachidi or the ginger pickle is ready, and in case if you have liked this video, do subscribe to Anagha recipes. Thank you.